Hey everybody, welcome to Zach's Lego Show, where it's all Lego all the time. And today I got a great video for you because I have the new mountain bike adventure van, one of the new city sets. So we're going to do a build of this as well as a review and placement of it. So stick around because it's all coming up right now. You don't want to miss it. So now we have built the mountain bike adventure van, and I gotta say, put the figs over here for later. Oh well. And I gotta say, this looks like a pretty cool van. It reminds me of some of the sets from the early 2010s when, you know, I was starting to get into city and all that stuff. And it just looks like a really cool van. I love the color scheme of it. You can see it's got that tan beige and a little, I find it kind of a little bit wonky over here at the top, but hey, it is what it is. And of course, this part of the van, am I doing it right? Oh, there, opens up, and you can see it's a bit wonky, and it does store some of the stuff, like the stand for one of the dirt bikes, or mountain bikes rather, and also a nice crowbar. But yeah, going back to this, it's a bit wonky. It's a nice try. It's a great attempt, but I just find it a little bit hard to open. A little bit like that, and it's not a lot of room there. So that's kind of my only gripe thus far with it. Love the stickers. As well as you see, you got the two dirt bikes here, as well as a stand, or as well as, you know, a holder for the dirt bikes. And you can put that down. And we'll get to the dirt bikes in a minute. I keep calling them dirt bikes, mountain bikes. I'm sorry. But you can see right here. You can see, and you can even take the top off for extra, you know, things, for extra space. See right in here, you got air pump as well as a first aid kit, and that's kind of all that's really in there. But yeah, it's a fun set. I enjoyed it. You see, you got the dirt or mountain bikes right here. Love the colors of them. They look really, really good, I think. I love the blue and the lime green there. Now let's take a look at the minifigures. So you get two minifigures with this set. You get a male minifig right here. Loving that torso. Ooh, let's get him over here a little bit. Love that torso. The green gloves, really nice. And of course, dark brown or dark blue pants. A female minifig right here. You see, also nice little torso for her. It's purple. Ooh. Just trying to get her to focus on in. There we go. Focus on in there. Really neat as well. All right, let's go place it in the Lego City. So as you can see, we are in the city of Legoville, or the outskirts, I should say. And I placed it right over there. You can see it going almost to the toll booth over there, exiting the city of Legoville, because that is where I do envision a lot of mountains, and just places where, you know, that kind of activity would thrive. Anyway, I want to say thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the Zach's Lego Show, rather, and Zach Attack Productions as well. Go over there and check out some of the stuff I got going on. All right, remember to keep calm and build on. See you next time.